Hello again, welcome back. Right, we're just going to have a look at the restaurants today. In the St George. And there's a couple of restaurants, main restaurants that is, where they serve the buffet dinners. There's one they do for the buffet breakfast and one for the dinner. And there's also another one that does the lunch, which we'll have a look at later today. But today, first of all, we're going to be going into the Theatre, which does the breakfast and the dinner. And there's also one of the a la carte, which is this one here, Route 66. There's a couple of others, but they're actually closed at the moment. They're opening in May. So there's a Greek taverna and an Italian. So you can get lunchtime food there, but not dinner. So two a la cartes that you can use using these machines. Here are the Asian themed one and Route 66, which is that one there. Both of whom we have booked, so we will be having a look at those. But you can book them here on these screens if you need to. But first of all, we'll be going in for breakfast. Now it's quite a good selection, it's not bad. They have omelettes already made up. Excuse me. So you've got the eggs, omelette here. They're not made while you wait, but they've got mixed ham and cheese and a cheese. I'm going to go for the mixed one. They've also then got red wine, dry rosé and white wine on tap, also beer, soft drinks. And obviously a good selection of coffee machines, hot water. And then coffee machines down this end as well. Normally when you come into the restaurant, they ask you if you'd like to be seated. You can either go inside or outside. We normally go outside. It has been raining a little bit overnight, in which case we can sit inside. I don't think it has today. It can be a bit breezy in the morning. But this is the buffet section here. Get toast, tomatoes, tuna, pretty much anything you want really. And then it's dried fruit, grapes, rice pudding, can't say I've tried that, cereal, and then fruit. Also here you've got the sausages, tomatoes, hash browns, bacon. It's making me hungry looking at it. So we've got, not sure what this is, porridge, oh there we go, sausages, egg, beans, so pretty much everything you would want. I'm going to grab myself a plate. Quite hot these plates I've noticed. I'm going to go for ham and cheese, no the mixed omelette. Really fell off the plate there. I'll get some beans. Around there, get the hash browns, bacon. That'll do for breakfast. I'm going to go over and get some hot water for my tea. Get the cups over here. We'll find where they're sitting. Come back. Just here to the side is the Asian restaurant. We'll be going there tonight, so we'll have another look in there. This is it in here. Asian themed one. It's an overspill for the breakfast, but this is where they do the Asian. A la carte. Well, as you can see, we can get a bit hectic in the mornings. This is around about 9 a.m. It serves breakfast from 8 till 10, I think it is. We normally come down about 9, it's quite busy. Quite well stocked.